Tomlinson Centre is a modern conference facility less than a mile from the city and located just a stone's throw away from the famous Silicon Roundabout. Hi, I'm Lily, and I'd like to take you on a short tour to show you why our centre is the venue of choice for schools and businesses. Come and have a look round. Our light and spacious centre offers a range of affordable spaces, including a large conference hall and lots of flexible breakout areas. As you can see, our main hall is a superb room with great views. And with all the latest equipment and flexible furniture, it can be adapted to suit any style. In fact, with bags of natural light and beautiful high ceilings, all our principal rooms can be configured in lots of different ways. Our fully air-conditioned IT suite has an impressive 18 workstations, an interactive whiteboard, 3D projector, and on-site technicians available to support you at any time. And when it's time for a break, our fantastic catering service offers a variety of mouth-watering dishes for you to enjoy. You can either relax in our dining area or let us serve you in your suite from an extensive menu that can be fully tailored to your needs. The Tomlinson Centre is purpose-built to accommodate a wide range of conferencing and training activities. We really hope to welcome you here soon.